Please give me the humongous potato. I know you. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today is the day, the long-awaited day, when I harvest the potatoes. As you can see, I don't know if you can see behind me, but I've already harvested like a quarter of them, about a quarter of them. And now I'm gonna continue with this side and hopefully get out as many as I can before the dark sets in. So I'm about to start harvesting the potatoes. Right next to me I have the tools, I got my hat, I got my gloves. What else do I need? Well, nothing. Behind me there's the onion crops. I will show you how that's going in a bit. So this is the onion crop. Yeah, I know the weeds have taken over a bit. I mean, there's not much I can do about it now. In about 2 weeks time, maybe 3, I'm gonna harvest this, so there's no point in fighting the weeds anymore. And let's see how it's doing. I'm gonna take one out and show you. I don't know if you can see it here. I've got a couple of them. They're quite big. And yeah, I'm just gonna take one out. Weeds are so big as well. See, it's still got a little bit of moist, which is good. Ooh-wee. This is a nice one. It's a nice one to have. It's not that big, but it's also not small. It's right where you want it. Right where you want it. It's decent. It's kind of like an apple. Like normal size apple, medium size apple. Let's take one more out. I think this one is a little bigger. So it's that's my fist in comparison. Keep in mind that I have big hands. Yeah, it's quite big. And another one. Yeah, and this is small. I mean, this is good. It's gonna grow a little bigger than this. I'm not I'm really pleased about the onion crops. They've been doing pretty well. I've been working hard though. Irrigating this isn't easy job. It takes me about 3 hours to assemble the line, the pipes, and the everything. So it's quite hard, but it'll pay off, hopefully. Hopefully. Regarding the potatoes, all right guys, so here we are. Let's see how the potatoes are doing. This is the first one. Let's take them out. Get them out. Yeah, as expected. I mean, this type of potato is really productive. I think it's called Carrera, and I mean, it's made so many potatoes. They're not big. They could have been bigger, but you know, they're decent. Ooh, this is a big one. Look. Ah, has a hole. No worms. What can you do? Can't do much about that. Oh, there's another big one. This one's nice. Got any more? Well, I think this one's done for. It's pretty decent, I would say. So we've got 4 big ones. I mean, yeah, 4, let's say 4 big ones, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smaller ones. So this one is also quite big, so we got like 5 to 5. Go on to the next. I'm curious if this one's bigger, has many or less potatoes. Whoa. Ooh. Has so many. But they're smaller. They're smaller. So small, actually. It's quite a funny story. The ones that I've harvested already and I sold them, when I took them home, I had to select them and, you know, put the big ones in a sack and the small ones in another sack, like this. And what happened was I got about 5 sacks of small potatoes, and when I went to the market, to the farmer's market to sell them, people bought them like really fast. They bought the small ones because they said like, oh, I'm just gonna wash them, clean them, you know, wash them twice and then don't even peel them, because the peel is really like the skin is really thin now because they're fresh, they're young potatoes. And they were like, oh god, I'm just gonna wash them and cut them, maybe cut them in half and just fry them or put them in the oven or something. And I mean, I did that as well when I heard it, and yeah, they're delicious, by the way. I recommend you trying that. Buy the small ones with the really thin paper-like skin and just wash them twice or 3 times. Oh, got one more. And then cook them. They're amazing. They're delicious. Another nice thing about this type of potato is that they don't grow, like they don't spread too much. They grow in one little like small circle. They don't go deep into the ground, and they don't go like really like too far off to the sides. They just stick close to the plant, and that's great. You can literally harvest them without any tool, with just your hands. Now I just wanted to show you guys, look how beautiful this one is. Again, I have like big hands. I don't know if you can like really grasp the concept of measuring this potato against my hand, but trust me, like this is really big. Like a couple of those and you got 1 kilo. Look how, oh no. I mean, the rest of it is good. It's so hard and so good, but something just took a bite out of it. Man, got so many bad weeds here, because this was like a field that someone grew like corn, and you can see grains and stuff like that, and I've got all these wild weeds, I should call them, like really bad weeds. There's not much I can do about it except working the land over and over and hope they don't grow as much and as fast. Next one. Please give me the humongous potato. I know you. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I mean, I said it was a premature harvest. I said like they didn't have that much water now, and they had too much when they were little, but still they've given me potatoes. Yeah, I'm not being too thankful to this crop, I think. I should be more thankful. Also, I don't know what this crack is. I've seen it in many potatoes. They're healthy, they're good, but they have this, I don't know what it is and why this is. Lack of water, too much water, again, I don't know. Soil. Yes, I should, I'm gonna find out next year. Yeah, another cracked one. So next year I'm gonna be planting potatoes where there's onion right now, on both ends of the property, of the land, because I don't know if you can see it. I should walk here a little bit, but the land, the soil is it's better here. Like, this is sand, it looks like sand soil, and I think this is much better for potatoes, and not for onion, but for potatoes. I think this is much better. They can grow bigger than they I'm gonna dig a well and make a really nice irrigation system here, and I'm gonna be watering the potatoes all the time. It's not gonna be like this year, and I'm gonna take care of them much better than I did it this year. So next year I think this is where the potato crops is gonna be. Many more potatoes. And because I haven't told you, or maybe I did, when I bought the potatoes, the seeds, I bought certified seed, and that was good. While it was amazing, the potatoes were great, it was quite expensive. So for the total potato seeds I bought here, that was about 200, a little over, like 210, no, 200 and maybe 220 euros. And if I harvest all this, if I harvest them all and sell them, I don't think, I mean, I'm sure about it, I'm not gonna get that much money for them. I'm not gonna get 200 euros for them, so this is a minus. Don't take any financial advices from me, guys, because this is actually a bad deal that I've made. Next time I'm not gonna buy certified seed. I'm just gonna buy the normal potato, and just plant it. You're gonna have the same, like pretty much the same result anyway. It matters like how you take care of the crop, not what kind of certified, if it's certified potato or if it's just a normal potato. That's not too important, I think. I'm gonna try it next year, so next year we'll know. Okay, another one. Look how easy it is, and it's so nice, so nice digging them out. Okay, so what do you think, guys? Is it good? Is it bad? Tell me before I pull it out. How many? I'm guessing about 4 big ones and 5 smaller ones. Let's see. Ooh, this looks good, I'm not gonna lie. Like this is great. It's just amazing. Okay. This is how it looks. They're coming out nicely. Alright everyone, so this is how many potatoes I've taken out from this little area right here. It's about 3 meters by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 4, something like that. That's how wide this part is. We got the big ones here, the ones that I've planted first, and look at this. What is this? Well, those are the sprouted ones that I've planted 1 month later than the first crop. We got a few red ones. I got about half a row, and the white ones, the same as these ones, but 1 month later, planted 1 month later. As you can see, they're not as big. I mean, they're quite big as well, but they're not as big as the old ones, but they've definitely caught up to them. Under normal circumstances and under normal, under great growing conditions, these ones could have taken over the old ones. So sprouted potatoes, keep that in mind. Also have purple potatoes, but they're on the other end of the crop, and they're not doing too well. I think they need more water, and I haven't given them enough water, so they haven't grown as big. But we're gonna harvest them too. Well, guys, this was it for today. I still have a lot of work to do. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.